Let us begin with Under Armour. That stock is under pressure today, but it had been up about 22% ahead of this news. Its forecast for sales and profit for this fiscal year disappointing traders. The sporting goods maker also said that the war in the Middle East would add $35 million in costs this year. Annual revenue expected to decline at Under Armour. Right. Wall Street was looking for a 2% gain, and adjusted earnings per share also missed estimates. So, look, basically, at the end of the day, these numbers show us the turnaround at Under Armour, still a work in progress. It's also dealing with the impact of tariffs. It also split from the basketball star Steph Curry, which was I'm
going to say, this is the key thing, because I met this guy with the top of his peak celebrity. It's been a train wreck for a decade. Is Under Armour cool?
Is it cool? And that's a question. Has it lost its mojo in a way, or did it ever really have it?
It's so competitive. I just think that business, the athleisure business, and you have to get the brand ambassadors. It's just extraordinarily competitive.
We were talking earlier about Adidas now tapping some stars. Bad Bunny and Timothy Chalamet to better compete with Nike with the World Cup.
Bad Bunny is doing Adidas.
A little Adidas for Bad Bunny.
Next.
Wendy's. So Wendy's is skyrocketing today, about 12%. There's a report in the Financial Times that says Nelson Peltz's Trian Fund Management looking for investor backing to take the burger chain operator private. So in recent weeks, Trian has held some talks with outside investors, including some in the Middle East, about financing a potential takeover of Wendy's. Last week, remember, Wendy's reported weak quarterly sales. Again, it cited high beef
Paul
costs.
took care of that.
And just a little history quick. Trian and Peltz currently own 16% of Wendy's, but they've been involved with the company since 2005 as activist investors. They have two board seats, one of which belongs to Nelson Peltz's son. Wendy's shares have fallen more than 40% over the past year. And if you look at the last 5 years, which I did, they're down 71%.
Wow.
Currently has a value of about $5 billion. So we'll see. We don't know if this is going to happen or not, but maybe Wendy's goes private.
I think Bryan Adams was on the charts. Number one the last time I was in a Wendy's.
Really?
You got one more?
I do. The telehealth company Hims and Hers, it reported a first quarter loss and sales that missed estimates. The stock is down 16%. Says it's facing higher costs associated with its pivot to branded weight loss medications. Remember, it moved away from those copycat versions it was selling, and so big pharma companies and regulators didn't like that.